in. For people who love to bake or cook during special occasions, natural sweeteners seem to be a growing trend. What are some swaps that work well for recipes this time of year?
Applesauce is a fantastic one. Sometimes something like stevia or monk fruit or like a coconut kind of sugar might be a good swap. But there's also things like date syrup and date paste, which is really interesting, adds more depth of flavor and can make for a really creative, feels fancy kind of dessert. Find a recipe that somebody else has already formulated and tested out. It'll save you a lot of time and frustration. More likely to taste the way you want it to.
A question about date paste that's new to me. Is that something you need to go to a special place to get, or is that like at every grocery store I've just never noticed?
Yeah, so you might be able to find it pre-made. There's also some soup, like you just make it yourself. Throw it in a blender or a food processor, add a little bit of water, and it just mixes up nice and thick. And if you want it thinner, you just add extra water, and now you've got syrup that you can use in place of like maple syrup or that kind of thing too. So your syrups are going to work better as like in sauces and marinades, somewhere where you might use honey. And then the paste will work better in baked goods.
Oh, fantastic.